Having explored the basics, we're now moving on to the advanced column types that will make your data operations even more effective. Let's discover how these advanced features can elevate your data management in Retable. In your Retable project, you'll add advanced columns from the Add New Column menu, tailoring each column's unique settings to suit your data. The Formula column is a powerhouse for calculations, automating your numerical operations such as addition, subtraction, and more directly within your data rows. When you're ready to write your formula, Retable shows you some examples immediately. If you want to explore more on formulas, you can visit the formula sheet Retable has created for you from the link below. Link your data seamlessly across multiple tables with the Reference Another Table column, enriching your datasets with interconnected information. With these column types, you can link another table in your project. Reference Another Table column will ease your work and will show you all of your data in one table, so you don't have to look for multiple tables. The Lookup Values column dynamically pulls other related data from the reference row of the table you selected as reference, ensuring your information is always up to date with real-time synchronization. Aggregate and summarize your data effortlessly with the Rollup column, which allows for customized calculations across your records. Organize your records sequentially with the AutoNumber column, offering an automatically incremented numbering system for unique identification. Embed clickable links into your data with the URL column, enhancing your records with quick access to web resources. If it's looking complicated in your table, you can always choose the option to Show As button, and your team can click the button to redirect the URL. Generate distinctive and auto-generated codes for your records using the Unique Identifier column, ensuring each entry is unmistakably identified. Serving as strong identifiers, these codes can be applied to passwords, product codes, or user codes, ensuring their uniqueness and preventing manual changes. You can use upper and lowercase letters, shorten the length or make it longer, and even add numbers or symbols. Enrich your records with precise location data using the geolocation column, incorporating mapping capabilities directly within your tables. The Collaborator column brings team functionality into your records, allowing you to assign and notify collaborators directly within cells. You can add multiple collaborators and notify them when they are added or the row gets updated and changed. Track the inception of your data entries with the Created Time column, which automatically records when each record is added. You can format the date as you like and can also include time. Identify the creator of each record with the Created By column, offering clear accountability within your collaborative workspace. Stay informed on the latest updates to your records with the Last Modified Time column, marking the most recent changes. You can format the date as you like and can also include time. The Last Modified By column reveals who last edited each record, providing transparency in your team's data modifications. With Retable's advanced column types, you're well equipped to handle more complex data operations and automate processes for maximum efficiency. These features not only provide depth to your data, but also bring a level of precision and interactivity that can transform how you manage information. Be sure to join us in our next video, where we'll dive into premium column types for even more sophisticated data management solutions.